Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm playing with the MOTD Cosmetics Blends palette for the first time, playing with a couple other things that I really enjoy. I created this super fun, colorful look. I love how this came out. I think it's so cute. But before we hop into the video, I did want to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. I've worked with Skillshare quite a few times at this point. I'm very excited to be working with them again. If you don't know Skillshare, they are an online learning community for creative and curious people such as myself and such as you. They offer such a wide variety of classes, from culinary to productivity to film, photography, plants. Literally, if there is something that you want to learn more about, there is a class for you. Because Skillshare is specifically curated for learning, there are no ads, so you're able to just continue learning at your heart's desire. Whether you're someone just trying to get into a new skill or just further expand your knowledge on a specific subject that you're already interested in, Skillshare is the place for you. I stumbled upon a super fun class lately. It is the Perfect Grilled Cheese, a mini class to master the sandwich by Alana Karp. Listen, it is getting cold outside. We are getting into soup season, and when I saw that class pop out, I was like, you know, I want to learn how to make the perfect grilled cheese to go with all the soups I'm about to be consuming over the next couple months. And it was such a cute class. It had some tips that I wasn't doing before, and it was just a very cozy, happy class. It made me very hungry. I'm craving a grilled cheese so bad. Now I definitely want to venture more into the culinary classes that Skillshare has to offer. Skillshare has thousands of classes on their platform, and they are constantly adding new premium classes to help further your creativity. Skillshare is only $10 a month with an annual subscription, but the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial to the premium membership. A huge thank you again to Skillshare for partnering with me on this video. Before we get into the get ready with me, I did just want to quickly mention the accessories that I'm wearing. My earrings today are from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code battybean for 10% off. This necklace is from Ana Luisa. This is a Charisma brand wig off Amazon. You can check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this is a CC brand beanie. So yeah, with all that being said, let's just hop in, play with some makeup, and create this super fun, colorful look. Hello. Hi, how's it going? Let's get into filming. I've already done my brows, and I've also already let my primer sink into the skin because I like it to sink in while my brows are going, just so that the primer can do its thing before I go in with foundation and stuff. I've just been using the Illamasqua Beyond Veil, mostly just to finish it up. It's not my favorite primer in the world, but I like it enough, so I'm just trying to bust through it. And then for foundation, I'm gonna do a little cocktail that I've been doing the last couple of days. I'm mixing my Fenty Eaze Drop Skin Tint in shade 1 with my Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. Just because I do like the sheerness of the Fenty one, but I wish it was a little bit more moisturizing, so I like to add the Moonshine Miracle Cream just to give it that extra boost of hydration. So I'm just gonna do a little bloop of it just on the back of my hand here. And then I just take kind of a little dollop of that, and I just put it on my hand, and I mix them all together just to give a very moisturizing kind of cream with a slight tint. Nothing too crazy, not going for crazy coverage here today, obviously. I hope you're doing well. I'm in such a good mood today. The weather's beautiful. It's so chilly and rainy outside, and I love it. It's one of those days where I for sure wish I could stay in bed all day, but alas, I can't, so I'm just gonna make the best of it and enjoy this wonderful weather. This probably isn't wonderful weather to most people, but as a Floridian who hates the heat, I crave days like this. The Starbucks holiday drinks are out again. I had a peppermint mocha yesterday. I had a peppermint mocha today, and I'm just living my best life. I'm not the biggest Starbucks person, but I love those holiday drinks. I don't know what to tell you. Now that that's applied, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, the Rare Beauty concealer in shade 130N. How are you doing? How's your November going so far? I'm having a great time. The weather's been beautiful and cold. I've already decorated my house for Christmas because I am that person. No, I don't skip Thanksgiving. It's all holiday for me, and it brings me holiday cheer to see my Christmas trees, so why prolong happiness? I'm showing all of that decorating in the vlog, which may be up before this video, but it could be going up after the video. I have such a beautiful like Christmas tree of my dreams in my living room now. Now that we're in our new house, I bought such a big, beautiful Christmas tree, and I love it. And then we put our old one upstairs in the loft. And then we decorated our room to be all Nightmare Before Christmasified. So it has like a Halloween tree, and there's still Halloween decor in there, and it's very cute. So now walking through my house kind of feels like you're entering like Halloween town or Christmas town. It's so cute. Going in with my Milk Makeup Baked bronzer stick right there, just to pop along like my jawline, my cheekbones, and under the nose. Are you buying anything specific during the Sephora sale? I think I want to get, there's a couple perfumes that I have my eye on actually that have like very fall scents. I don't remember the brand, but I found it. And they're cruelty free, which is exciting because a lot of perfume brands are not. And I also might pick up a couple of the Forever Mood candles from Jackie Ina's brand because I'm very interested in trying them. And there's some minis for sale on there, so I figured maybe I'd get some of the minis at a discount just to try them out because I don't know if I want to commit to like the $40 candles just yet. For blush, I'm going to use this cream blush that I haven't used in a while. This is from Illamasqua. It's the Color Veil blush in the shade Tonic. It's very creamy. It's almost like a combination of a liquid and a cream. I'm just gonna dip this little stippling brush from e.l.f. in the product just to get it laid down, and then I'll take my sponge to pounce over it. This is the sponge from the Colourpop Nightmare Before Christmas collection, by the way. Totally shouldn't have put my wig on before doing my makeup, but you know, I thought I just wanted to look complete before I started my makeup today, but it's okay. It's only a hassle right now. Also gonna just pop a little across the nose. That cute little bitten cold winter look. What are some of your favorite activities to do this time of year? Not even like specific to Christmas, but just like when the weather cools down like this, what are your favorite things to do? So now I'm just gonna quickly set my under eye and T-zone area with the Milk Makeup Blur setting powder. I've been staying super busy with work in the salon. I'm so thankful. I mean, I've really been staying busy ever since reopening from the closure with the pandemic, but last couple months specifically and going into this month, super busy. And I've been trying to get better at setting boundaries and creating a better work-life balance where I'm not working far later than I want to and not going into work far earlier than I want to. I actually tweaked my schedule a little bit to where I don't go in any earlier than a certain point to where like I can still film before work, and I always have time to film before work if I need to. Not necessarily a long video, but at least something quick like an Instagram video or something, just so I can make sure I'm getting content out. And then if my day off rolls around and I don't feel like doing anything, I don't have to, because like I've had plenty of time during the week to do it. And so far it's been working really good. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna take my NYX High Glass Finishing Powder. So now it is fake freckle time, and I do wanna go pretty ham. I'm starting with the Colourpop Soft Brown Freckle Pen. Even though this is not my favorite, I literally don't know why I rebought this for myself, because it runs out of juice so quick. Like even now, just the dots that I've slightly done, way less saturation than the first dots that I put down. And it's so frustrating, but I just kind of do a light little veil of these just kind of everywhere to give a softer look, and then I go in with my next product. And that is gonna be the Freck XL. I love this stuff. I actually will probably pick up another one of these during the sale. I'm not out of this one yet, but the best time to buy it is during the sale, and I always recommend buying the bigger one because it's a better deal too. And it lasts me personally a really long time. I think the last time I bought one of these was during the last sale, so I probably only need to buy these like twice a year. Now I'm just gonna do some more little freckles around the nose, and I'll lightly just tap these guys out. All right, and for highlight, I was craving using my Be Perfect Get Wet highlight in the shade Skin Sheen. I love this. It's just so sparkly but smooth. It has a putty texture, but it's not like a liquid. It doesn't make my makeup underneath move around or anything. All these crows outside. All right, so now I'm just going to spray my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray, and we will move on to the eyes. All right, moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and prime with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. It is my new favorite eye primer. It's so good. And then for eyeshadows, I'm gonna use the Blend Bunny Cosmetic Blends palette. The owner was so sweet and sent it to me because she saw how much I loved the Surge palette, and I'm so excited to dive into this one. So far, all I've done is swatch this palette. I swatched it for my upcoming, like, ranking my last 10 palettes video, and also I swatched it for the new makeup releases PR roundup review video that I'm pretty sure is going up before this video. But yeah, I haven't played with it on my eyes yet, and I'm so pumped because I love the Surge palette, so I'm really excited to play with these mattes. I'm actually gonna start first with the shade Bewitched because it kind of matches my shirt perfectly. I'm gonna take that on this Luxie 131. It's kind of like a small angled fluffy brush. And I want to just focus this directly in the outer corner of my eye. I want to scoot it a little on the lower lash line. I want to have a very colorful crease kind of moment, and then I'm gonna do a pop of something shimmery fun on the lid. So now I want to blend out this dark purple that I laid down, and I think I'm gonna use Signs right here. My yellow is falling apart because I jammed into it and now it's crumbling to pieces. With that, I'm actually gonna use this Luxie 229. It's kind of like a short fat blending brush because I want to stay pretty precise with this. I don't want to I do want it blown out, but I don't want it blowing out all over my face either. I'm just grabbing really small amounts at a time, and I'm holding the very end of my brush that I have light pressure, and I am just going to just very slowly do little circular motions just to help buff out that dark purple, and then kind of angle it outwards, stretch it out to be a little bit of a wing shape. These Blend Bunny Cosmetics shadows truly blend themselves. I don't know how to explain it. They are so easy to work with. I'm loving all this purple. It is so pretty, but let's add some other colors into the mix. I want to use Submerged here so badly. With that, I'm going to take this Alter Ego number 6 brush, just dip in just a little bit because I have a feeling this is going to be very pigmented. And I want this to basically go over the inner half of the crease and then fade into that purple. Oh, that is such a beautiful color. It's so rich and so deep, and I love it. I am just quickly blending a little bit of the white just right in the front part, just so that there's a nice fade from the intensity into just like my skin. And then before we do the lid, I do want to go ahead and work on the lower lash line a little bit more. I'm gonna start with Vamp right here, and then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with this bright pink. It is called Chase. My memory card just filled up, but as I was saying, I'm just taking a little bit of Vamp on this pencil brush from BH Cosmetics just to smudge in the front half of my lower lash line. Probably need to get a new memory card. I've been pre-filming like a mad woman, just getting so much stuff ready for this month and bleeding into next month, because even though it's only the beginning of November, I need content ready for December because I'm gonna be posting every single day up until Christmas. I'm gonna take the little brush that I used to blend out my purple, that Luxie brush, and I'm gonna grab Chase on that just a little bit, very little bit. And I'm going to run that along that, and I'll carry it into the purple a little bit just so that the lower lash line is very pinkified, you know? I love all these colors going on. Just wait until I add my lid shade. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. And just to help further blend things more, I'm gonna take a little bit of Promise right here. Again, just a little bit, and I'm just going to run that along the edges too, just so that the blend is as soft as possible. And now for the lid, I'm gonna take the Shocked Jelly Much eyeshadow from the Colourpop Nightmare Before Christmas collection, because I actually haven't used this shade yet, and I actually think it'll go really cute with everything that I have going on now. I'm just gonna take that on this very dense packing brush from Vintage Cosmetic Company. I find something dense seems to be the best with these shadows. And I'm just gonna plop this across the lid. I don't want it to be cut creasy per se, but I do want there to be a little bit of definition between the crease and the lid. So I mean, I guess I'm kind of doing like a half cut crease, but it doesn't have to be like crazy precise. This color is cute. It's still my least favorite out of the 3 Jelly Much shadows that released. That dark purple that kind of flips blue is my favorite for sure, but this one's cute. It just didn't give me Nightmare Before Christmas vibes, you know? And then I'm just gonna take that little angled brush that I had with the original dark purple, no additional product, just to smudge right here, just so that there's a nice flow. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner really quick with my face highlight, just so I can see it all together. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I live for it. This is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up the other eye. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. All right, this is my look complete. It's so colorful and so fun. I feel like this is very wintry, colorful vibes. I love this. I think it came out so cute, and I hope you like it too. The eye pencil I ended up throwing in is Catsuit from Colourpop. I just felt like it kind of went with that teal crease. My lashes are Blair from Noella Lashes, and on my lips I wanted to keep with kind of the teal theme, so I used Leviathan from Menagerie, this beautiful teal liquid lipstick. So yeah, this is my look complete. I hope you love it as much as I do. I'm gonna be content wearing this all day. Let me zoom out and we will finish up this video. Alright, so that is it. This is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you had fun getting ready with me. I would love to know what you think about my look, what you think about the products I used. Let's chat down below. Again, another huge thank you to Skillshare for partnering with me on this video, and just a reminder to you guys that the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a 1-month free trial to the premium membership. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me a teal emoji, because that is such a vibe right now. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything. I post every day on Instagram, and I'm pretty active on TikTok and Twitter as well. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I post most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.